Hi everybody, thank you for being here and welcome to my food demonstration today. If you don't already know me, my name is Haust-Arliss and I'm a vegan psychotherapist and holistic health coach. My mission is to empower people and save animals through the power of a vegan diet. So welcome, and what we're going to do today is we're going to make vegan tuna fish. And this recipe comes right from Dr. Barnard's latest book, The Power Foods Diet. So what we're going to do is we're going to start with a can of rinsed and drained chickpeas. And what we're going to do is we're going to mash it up to about tuna fish consistency. Okay. You can also use tempeh for this recipe, which is also a great protein source. Tempeh is fermented soy, but we are using chickpeas, which is a great source of fiber and protein. And if you're trying to lose weight or even maintain weight, make beans your best friend. Okay, so little consistency of tuna fish there. Okay, what I'm going to do now, I'm going to put that aside, and I'm going to chop up some celery real quick. Okay, just real quick. So people always ask me how I became, where my journey began. And my journey began with the man behind that camera. That's my husband, Craig, who's helping me today.
Hi,
and we started, we went to a day trip to Farm Sanctuary in 1989 or 1990, Craig?
90.
And that's how it all began. And so it started as a transitional journey. So anywhere you are on this journey, whether it's a newbie or seasoned, I can help you on any part of that journey. So we're going to add in this celery. Yum, yum. Okay. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to add some chopped red onion, and if you soak this for 5 minutes in cold water, it'll take the bite out of the onion for you. And we're going to add next some vegan mayonnaise. I'm just going to add like a tablespoon, and maybe if we had to add some later, we can do that. Next, we got some diced dill pickle. Next, we have some low sodium soy sauce. Okay, mix this up a little bit right now. I'm not done yet, we're almost done. Okay, and now what we're going to add here is there's some nutritional yeast in here, which is a great source of B vitamins, and once you start eating this way, it's going to be a staple in your kitchen, and you'll be using it for cheese sauces and all kinds of things. So what else is in here? We have, this is optional in this recipe, this is kelp granules. It gives it that little traditional tuna fish flavor, but it's optional. And we got some black pepper. So we're going to just sprinkle that right in. And I encourage you to make this your own. You can add things in like what I'm going to add in. Diced Granny Smith apple, about a 1/4 cup. And there's also 2 teaspoons of lemon juice in there. Yum. So I'm going to add that right in. I love cooking this way. This is so fun. Once you start doing this, you're going to find that it's a different... Oh, it just feels so good to cook this way. It's good for mind, body, and spirit. Okay, so you can have this traditionally in, whole grain bread or wrap. How I like to do it, though, is I like to have it over vinegar-dressed greens. So that's how we're going to have it today. Yum, yum. And I'm going to sprinkle it with a little parsley. And there you have it. Vegan tuna fish. Thank you.